Twitter is a social media platform that provides businesses with a unique opportunity to connect with customers, build brand awareness, and drive website traffic. As a marketing medium, Twitter allows businesses to create a strong online presence by sharing engaging content, using relevant hashtags, participating in trending topics, and interacting with followers. By understanding how Twitter works as a marketing medium, businesses can identify and target their ideal audience, measure and analyze their results, and improve their overall marketing strategy. In this YouTube video, we will provide an overview of how Twitter works as a marketing medium, including best practices for building a strong presence, targeting your audience, and measuring your results. Whether you're new to Twitter marketing or looking to enhance your existing strategy, this video will provide valuable insights and actionable tips to help you succeed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.